Mansruang Engineering Co Limited was established on January 12, 2001 for the purpose of trading and creating automatic packaging systems, as well as various machines required in the production process. We continuously develop and improve machine quality to optimize and to meet the needs of customers. Over the past 15 years, the company has produced hundreds of packing and filling machines into the market. In addition, the company has developed and improved its equipment, components and spare parts accessories to the quality and modern technology, such as machine including IoT system. At present, the company designs the machine using the robotic system for the flexibility of work and to increase the efficiency of the machine. A brief summary. The main products of the company are automatic packing machines divided into 4 groups as follows. 1. Bagging machine. Vertical form fill seal. Horizontal form fill seal. Bagging machine 15 to 25 kilograms. Valve bag filling sealing machine. 2. Multi-packing machine. String pack multi-pack, snack multi-pack, bag multi-pack. 3. Case packer. Case erector. Stacker conveyor. Robotic stacker. Case closer. 4. Palletizer. Pallet dispenser. Conveyor palletizer. Robotic palletizer. We provide services of maintenance, repair, modification, program including software upgrade for all brands of automatic packing machines as customers' requirements. Moreover, we are suppliers of consumables such as ETA, Teflon, silicone, etc. for customers. These products are used with automatic packing machines. Provide professional support teams who can approach what customers need, especially R&D. Excellent after-sales and maintenance services with fast solutions for choosing the best ones for customers.